Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's vlog. So I have got some new posters to stick to this wall. Now if you have watched my previous videos, then you would have noticed a significant change in my background. So I used to shoot in my living room, where you must have seen my setup with this bookshelf and some other stuff. But the thing is that now it's summers and it's freaking hot, and that's why I am trying to create a new setup in my parents' bedroom, because here there is air conditioning and I can shoot properly without sweating like a crazy person. So that's why I am trying to create a setup. Now for the longest I was so confused, what should I do, what kind of a setup should I create, and I don't have a lot of space over here because I'm quite literally invading their room and I just cannot take up a lot of space, right? So there is this limited space where I have to create a setup and I can't do a lot, right? So I thought that the best I can do is I can change something about this wall, because like a pink simple wall doesn't quite seem very interesting. Now I don't know if you guys will like this one or the thing that I'm going to do next, but nevertheless I'm trying. So I have ordered some posters from Amazon. It's a set of 10 posters. They came inside this thing. There was no damage whatsoever, so I was really happy with the packaging. However, since these posters were rolled, so they were like totally, you know, rolled, and I had to place them under my mattress and I kept it for 2 days, and now they are pretty flat, so it will be pretty convenient for me to stick them to the wall. Now the thing is, if you are a new creator, if you are a new YouTube creator or Instagram creator, or you just have to create a background, or if you're just a person who is trying to decorate his or her room, then I think this will be interesting and it will also be helpful. That's the only reason why I'm sharing this. So this is the poster. First of all, it's pretty huge. I mean, it's quite big. Okay, it's pretty much covering my whole upper body. So this is the size of the poster. It's quite big. Now I will make sure that I provide the link of the product in the description box and the size and everything, so that you can order it by your own. Now on the back of the poster they have provided this strip on the top, and at the bottom these are glue strips. So we just have to peel this and then we can stick it to the wall. So I think it's going to be a pretty easy process and it's not going to be very complicated. So let's start. Now before I start sticking them, I will show all the posters to you one by one. So have a look at them, and if you think they are good enough, you can also order them. Alright, so these were all the posters. Now let's start sticking them to the wall. This is just not sticking to the wall. Like, oh my god, just have a look. Oh my god, it just won't sit. What is wrong with this? Is this like a fail? So with these posters they also provided this tape. So I think I can use this tape for these two sides as well, and then maybe they will stick well with on the wall. Honestly, I thought that I will not have to do much, but now that I'm doing it, it feels quite daunting. I'm sorry if there's like a lot of background noise, but there's cooking going on in the kitchen and there has to be some noise at least. So just ignore that. Stripping the butter paper off this glue strip is the most satisfying part of this entire ordeal. I think it also depends on the wall. If the wall is like super smooth, then I don't think there will be any problem for you to stick these stickers, but I mean sorry, posters. But since our wall is not really that smooth, it's quite rough, so the surface is not that smooth, so it's obviously not easy for the poster to stick with the wall, because there are like parts that it cannot stick to. I don't know if I made sense, but I'm pretty sure if the wall was like smoother, if the surface was a bit smoother, then it would have stuck better. But I mean, these are kind of sticking now. I mean, there's no problem anymore. Like, they just fell when I stuck them with only the 2 strips. Then I added the tape and now it's finally sticking to the wall. But my tip is that definitely keep these posters under a mattress and just flatten them out really well, because if they are still rolled up, they will not stick. That's something that I've realized. There's only this much tape left and I still have 2 posters to stick. I'm freaking out. I just hope this is enough. Fingers crossed. I really hope that this much is enough for the rest of the 2 posters, or else I don't know. Turns out that much tape was not enough for both the posters. In fact, it was not even enough for one. So I stuck it to one side, but on the other side I only got this much. So I don't know what to say. I'm actually pretty frustrated right now. I don't even know if they will like stay for a long time. I mean, if they will be durable enough. Oh my god. If you're not a craft person, if you don't do art, then just stay away. Because this is just not working out for me. Oh my god. I'm just showing you the entire process so that if in case you go for these, you know what to expect. So all the posters are now on the wall. I think they look pretty good. They are making for a good background. That simple plain pink wall was not that interesting. I think this looks much better, at least in my opinion. I don't know about you, maybe you like that better, but I definitely like this. So that was all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video interesting and valuable. I really hope you did and you found something interesting, and if you think you will buy these, then let me know in the comments as well which poster you like the best. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, but definitely subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. Hit on the like button so I know that you liked it, and definitely hit on the bell icon as well so you are notified with all the further notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.